Nur malakan yam biya kamal kanur online TV channel to kon kaler majidid mabukon lingwa same ler ban lingwa same SPLM mayo spaceship general Yiey dak chala do jen charo da kwal ro wi juba shenge dane kap ke general SPLM mayo ka koy ka gwas e dane choten entama wacha jojan gwas dane choten akan kono nyamre ler kana mi jira majidid ka nur online TV channel goro jen wo de nyoka nasen ko ken ko de lerti de kan chamala chu gwasenten gor kon ken go de ko ten chan raje me chan jekwen ramkel ka ayo ka SPLM ayo sharo da bare wech ke juba ke shenge yan ke generally SPLM ayo ngai kone gwan wo shenge dane yan ka kwar SPLM ayo re wiki juba cha de ngaje no cha general chu ko ngwan cha ka yen you know ka sha ring ma char point de cha de 10 ke cha de yen dore ano chikir mayardit chongon mishikar no ka gwade dan chu mentem ne rangor kan kana luñ teram chana luñ ka ke ano chi general kel general mo chala do jen choro da bare which ka juba cha jen cha woni ka wi dodien ramo mo SPLA IO spaceship general SPLA spaceship general un michal ke Yiey dak general Yiey dak jen cha chu gwasen te de ni SPLA mo IO tin ajen ci minen yen ma gwasa me jen wude me gwata mani be nong turo gwata jen ci roda bare wi ko juba ka cenge dan e kap kana wajen ci jen jela ka turbil mi V8 no cho jen ka jen ka sector 8 SPLA IO ka do budan ci gor ka je ko profile Yiey dak general Yiey dak spaceship general Yiey dak ci jere wi ko juba ka ci roda bar ka cenge dan ci koro mo ci kore de to jere wiki juba gwade cha kwar ne self ne doctor machar cha je yenten ka cha ne ko kien ala top senior official key officers ka SPLM mayo ka chenge dane cha yen ga ja kir mayardit decision ne chame ga decision go alon ko mi chi genere ga ne ko ngod matam ngod bari ko kan de ko ne cha yen kir mayardit ngod kan yena no kwale jongni yeno jen ci gware ci jo gwada dan en charode bartin ka ko ne ci ne din wan ci ga dierlung ko gwada dan ci woten ka shenge dan yan ka generally re which ka juba antem ko ci gware jo chala do ci SPLM mayo ci lodien ci tet ko ci kan gwada dan ci generally en ci woten jen ci barrode woni jen we ka ngarde we gwada dan ti ne katin ala ji SPLM mayo ko jen gwada danen e jena tinba ana me jen danen inshallah ci gumnen yen maga tourne meni den ngaje no cellu jok cellu ka SPLM mayo gwada danen tetin kana wo jen bo te ka pel ko che gorno de je yen rewi ko juba ngene gwanan go juba beje mat no ka roje inshallah gwasa me chala do na kap ka ke no kap ko na lora bang tele malume tele mangay ke mandana de kul ngay ke jen wo yan ngana ke lot kana menena ko current wore which kanasir she kam SPLM mayo kana SSPDF a kam de jeshen bor kanedin kontin la de nikem yadit na me mishalat juba senior SPLM mayo intelligence chief depart juba amid uncertain circumstances in a surprising development general Yiey dak Wieh, a ranking military officer and intelligence chief within the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM mayo has reportedly left Juba under circumstances shrouded in uncertainty. Source close to the mayor indicate that his departure was prompted by concern for his safety, though the exact reason remain unclear. He served as the Deputy Director General for Internal Security Bureau. General Yiey dak Wieh successfully escaped Juba to SPLA Sector 8, EIQ, Central Equatorial State. General Wieh, assistant and influential figure within the SPLA, has played a pivotal role in the movement, operation, and strategic decision-making. His sudden exit from the capital has sparked speculation and raised a question about the underlying tension within the fragile peace framework governing South Sudan. While details surrounding his departure are still emerging, insights suggest that General Wieh's move away be linked to growing unease among opposition figures regarding their security and political standing in Juba. The SPLM a key signatory to the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, has repeatedly voiced concern over the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. Well, this incident underscored the ongoing challenges facing South Sudan transitional unity government. We continue to grapple with mistrust, logisticals, ardor, and sporadic violence despite effort to stabilize the nation. General Wieh departure may further strain relations between the SPLM and the government, potentially complicating the already dedicated peace process. As the situation unfolds, stakeholders within South Sudan and the international community are closely monitoring developments. Analysts warn that such incidents could undermine confidence in the peace agreement and hinder progress toward lasting stability. More details are expected to emerge in the coming days as our authorities and opposition leaders provide clarity on the circumstances surrounding General Wieh's departure. For now, his exit serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of South Sudan peace and the urgent need for renewed commitments to dialogue and reconciliation.